Welcome to Rayasam recipes. Today I will be making pineapple holige. Let's check out the ingredients. Here I have fresh pineapple. I'm going to peel off the skin and cut into small cubes. Let's see how to make the dough. I have quarter cup of fine suji, 1 cup of all-purpose flour. I'm adding pinch of salt, little bit of turmeric and mix it all together. Add 1 tablespoon of oil and mix it. And now gradually add water as required and make a dough, stiff dough. It shouldn't be too stiff, it should be a little loose dough. So this is how it should be. Now apply some oil on top and allow it to rest for 2 hours. Let's start the filling. Here I have 1 cup of pineapple, chopped pineapple. I'm going to use quarter cup of fresh coconut. I have 3/4 cup of jaggery, you can increase it accordingly. I have some Elaichi pods, quarter cup of rava. So firstly I'm going to grind the pineapple, coconut, jaggery, and I'm going to add the Elaichi and I'm going to blend this into a fine puree. So this is how it looks after blending it. Now first let us roast the rava and keep it aside. I'm taking 1 tablespoon of ghee and I'm going to roast the rava. Make sure you don't over roast it. Just roast it until you get a nice aroma. Now keep it aside after it's done. Add the puree to the same kadai and cook it until it comes a little closer. So the water evaporates. So at this point you can see it has come a little thicker. Now start adding the rava. Don't add all of the rava at once. Check the consistency and then you can add the remaining. So cook it until you reach to this consistency. It should not be too thin or too thick. At this point turn off the stove and allow it to cool completely. Let us check the dough. It's nicely soaked. So make small balls of the filling and keep it aside. Now take small portions of the Maida soaked dough and spread it a little bit, as you can see how I'm doing it, and place this ball and start stretching it and pull it down and try to bring it all the way down and seal the edges. I'm using a butter paper to roll this. You can use even banana leaf. So apply a little bit of oil on the butter paper and then place this, and you can apply a little more oil. I'm using a plastic sheet to spread this. You can also use a rolling pin, whichever is comfortable, and just spread it as thin as you can. You can remove the plastic sheet and place this butter paper on the pan. My pan is already heated, so I'm just placing it on my pan and carefully remove the butter paper. You can see it comes out really clean. Now after cooking on one side, flip it over to the other side and cook it. So it's nicely roasted. The other side is also done. You can make all the remaining holige like this and enjoy with tupa, with ghee. Please do try this recipe. It is really good and very yummy. Do try this recipe. Thank you for watching. Thank you.